Morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
Okay.
Yeah, I was a bit tired after yesterday, to be honest.
Yeah, we were, I think. Yeah. It's a big
However,
walk.
today, little walk today, just 2 Wainwrights.
Yeah.
That sounds quite cool, actually.
Yeah, but they're not big ones.
They're not big ones, no.
No.
I can't remember. One's Fellbarrow, and the other's
Low Fell.
Low Fell, I think. And this
Yeah.
is, we're able to do this walk from the house. So we're just walking across the fields, and then there's a bit of road walking. And yeah, we'll show you where we think we're going.
I think it might be up there.
I think we're talking this line of fells behind the trees here. Cross that lot and then back to the gaff. Okay, we just come out on the farm lane, most of the way up the fell, and when you come out on here you can see Scotland, which is pretty cool. Let me turn you around, show you. So I'm hoping you can pick up those in the background. That is Scotland, pretty cool, and a lovely little English valley looking at it. So we have dog rose, it's pretty cool, but look at this. It's got a lot more flowers on it than the one we got at home.
It is, isn't it? Yeah. We take that one home.
Yeah. It's beautiful, isn't it? Lovely jubbly. Across here we have a different dog rose. Look at that one. Lovely. Right, out on the fell proper now.
Yeah.
And just negotiated our first field full of cows.
Well, I wouldn't say full of cows, there was 2.
Well, there was more, just
yeah, but
farther
they were
away.
up the hill.
Yeah. So I'm just going to show you the view, and you can see where we've come from, and then we'll point out some of the hills as well, shall we?
We will.
So that down there is Lorton, High Lorton,
Low Lorton,
and Low Lorton, and Lorton, who knows. The stuff behind it, that's the Wainwright fells over there. Broom Fell, Wainwright, Lord Seat Barth, all those. This range is...
We said that was Swineside?
Swineside, yeah.
Dodd.
The little bump is Dodd. Behind the little bump is Hopegill Head, the pointy one at the back. I think the other one might be Drysdale Pike, I'm not sure.
Could be.
And then past Dodd we've got Whiteside,
yep.
And then Glarum.
No, Grassmore.
Honestly, Rog, Grassmore. And then right at the back peeping over is Gable, I think. We'll be on top of the fell soon, so we'll have a look.
Yeah.
Right, we're ready?
Yeah.
We're ready. You sure? You sure you're ready?
No, I'm never ready.
So where are we?
We're at Hatteringgill.
Okay.
And there's some ruins here.
So this is the ruins of Hatteringgill. Presumably the tractor's a new addition. But I think you can see why nobody wanted to live here. I don't know, it's probably a farmhouse or something.
I would assume so.
We'd assume so. Okay, we're now going to turn right and follow this wire fence to the top of Fellbarrow. Fellbarrow. Right, catch up in a minute. How many is that? 96. So this is Fellbarrow, yeah. How do I get you in this shot? You keep walking away.
Oh, you'll have to hold hands, dear, so we take shots.
No, that's not going to happen. Right, so we've been to the top of Fellbarrow then.
Yep, we have.
There's a nice family there with 2 tiny little kids who have walked up.
Yeah, but it's just a shame that they're struggling up there.
Yeah, it did a bit. Well, apparently they have to carry them back down.
Yeah.
So, do you want to carry me back down?
No.
Okay. So that's Fellbarrow, that's 96, and now the next one is Low Fell, which would be 97. And in between there and here is Sarahfoot. Something like that.
Yeah, we'll look at that.
It's not a Wainwright, so you know, we don't remember them. Let's be honest. Look at the view. That's Crummet water, yeah. Wow, that's not bad, is it? I'll let you go first, Sally. Better work out who's going to go to the top of the 100th one first. Yeah.
Go further.
97. We've just sat down at our lunch.
We have.
And
a fantastic view.
Incredible view, which we will show you right now. And then basically back down,
Yep.
home, try and find some proper food. Okay.
Got nothing for dinner.
No. Right, the view. Now I know we've taken you through some of these hills before. So as you know, Whiteside, Grassmore. Behind Grassmore is Whiteless Peak.
Pike.
Whiteless Pike. And then down, just hovering over Crummet Water, is Rannerdale Knots. And then behind there you can see Gable, the Scawfell poking out, Haystacks, and then High Crag, High Style, Red Pike, and then right in front of us is Malbrake. And over here, Hencoombe, Gavel Fell, Blake Fell, Burnback Fell, etc. So there you go.
Yes.
You in shot?
I think I am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You are.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to wrap it up here. We're almost back down to the fields now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I won't bother showing you hills yet again.
No, I think we don't enough time.
Done it enough times.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just about to come off the fell into the field, so we'll wrap it up. Day 2,
Yeah.
97 done. We've still got 3 more to do.
Should do that easy.
Well, she says. We've still got a couple of days, so
Yeah.
we've got time.
Yeah.
Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, all that stuff.
Yeah. That's it now.
And we'll see you again in the next one.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.